Hello, Stampers! I'm Dina Lanzendorf at Inkin' with Dink, and welcome to my catalog pre-order unboxing. I just got my box today of my pre-order stuff from the new annual catalog, and I thought it would be really fun to open it with you guys. So let's do this. I have been waiting and waiting for this box to get here. So I'm super excited for this. All right. Okay, let's see what kind of fun stuff we've got. I'm going to go through my my pre-order form also so that I know what I'm telling you things are called. So we were not able to order the new color and ink pads just because they weren't going to have enough of them in yet. So instead, we could order things like the ribbon, the designer series paper, and things like that. So here is a look for you guys of our new in colors. I'm super excited. So this one is called Just Jade. This one is Misty Moonlight. Isn't it gorgeous? I love that color. This one is called Bumblebee. This one is Magenta Madness, and this one is Cinnamon Cider. So they're so pretty, and I love them all together. They really are pretty together. So let's see, what else did I order in the in colors? I ordered some of the enamel dots in the in colors. I'm trying to do this without too much of a glare for you guys. These are no, those aren't really what I'm looking for. Here's what I'm looking for. This is the designer series paper. See what kind of new designs we've got this year. Okay, so we've got some big polka dots on the back of that. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a scratch looking kind of thing. Then we've got words on some, and it has a wood grain on the back. So those are pretty. And there's all the colors together. They're pretty, 6x6. And let's see, I saw my cardstock was shipping later. I did buy full packs of my cardstock. So I bought a couple of bundles. So this is one of them. This is this Field of Flowers bundle. So it's just a stamp set, and this long one you can put across a card and then stamp out flowers to put on it. But it looks like you can also do it as a border because it's got these here to line up. So such a cool bundle. Let's see, what other bundle do we have here? So we have here's one fun one, a star sunflower. Let's see which one of these goes with it. Smooth sailing. What is the dies called with that one? Celebrate Sunflowers. That's the bird one. Sunflowers. Okay, so here is the stamp set. Okay, Celebrate Sunflowers. And then we have the dies. Okay, so let's see if we can get this open. Take a peek at these. Oh, isn't that beautiful? So pretty. And then, so you can do it as a layer on top of your stamped image, or you can just cut this out, okay, which is this sunflower right here. So that is going to be beautiful for fall cards, birthday cards. It doesn't have to be just a sunflower. It looks a lot like mums and things like that too. So that's going to be a pretty bundle. Let's see, I also got the jar bundle. So this is Jar of Flowers. So it's got a couple of jars and then some little half jars and different sets of flowers that you can put in it. And then it has a coordinating punch. How cool is that? There is also like shaker domes that are the same size so that you can make them shaker cards with the jars. So that is pretty funny. That's called Jar of Flowers bundle. Let's see. There was a beautiful suite called Flowers for Every Season. And they had some designer series paper, which we weren't able to order until yesterday. So I did finally get them ordered, but they're not here yet. Okay, but it will be coming, and it's beautiful designer series paper. I can't wait. Nice bright colors. But this is the Memories and More card pack that coordinates with it. Okay, so we can look at it and get an idea of colors and stuff that are in it. If I can get them out. Ooh, isn't that pretty? So, oh, look at the words. Love those. Pretty roses. Ooh, the backside's just as pretty. Those are gorgeous. I am going to be doing a class on cards for these, because also we could buy these, which are, it's a card pack, okay? So it's just the card bases and envelopes, okay? Which will be great to use with the Memory and More cards to make a card class. So we just got the card bases in all the new in colors and coordinating envelopes. So fun. Be watching for a class with that. Let's see. I think I got the ribbon that coordinates with that. Yeah, that's it. So there's a combo pack of ribbon, and it's 3 different kinds of ribbon. It's this white ribbon. It's like a gingham ribbon that looks like the Just Jade, and then the midnight one is a twine. So those are going to be pretty with it too. All right, Forever Greenery. I think I just got Forever Flourishing. I think that's them. So I think these are the dies. There was a Greenery set that is actually this designer series paper, and I decided not to buy the stamp set yet, but I was going to start with the dies because they are so pretty, and I thought I should be able to do some cards, with just those, just the Greenery, things like that. So they're very pretty, but there is a coordinating stamp set with it that's called Forever Fern. But like I said, I got that in the designer series paper, so we can take a look at it and see all the pretty pretty papers in this pack. Ooh, I love the stripes. That's nice and bold. Look at the ferns. Aren't they gorgeous? So yeah, those will make gorgeous cards. And then to also coordinate with that is the these little, well, they call it designer series paper, but it's gold. Look at this. Is that not gorgeous? Won't that make a beautiful class? So pretty. Love all of that. And you actually get 6 sheets. So there's 2 different designs. Try to be careful with this. There's this design here that has like the cutouts, all that fun stuff. And then there is, those are all 3, that design. Is that all of it? Nope, there's the rest of them. They're hidden in there. So then there's this design, which is card fronts that can be cut apart, so it makes 6 different card fronts, and there's 3 sheets of each of these also. So those will be super, super pretty to make cards, and I thought that would be beautiful with the Fern Designer Series paper, and then some of the dies cut out. Let the gold and the ferns just do their thing together. All right, what else have we got here? There was a lot of stuff to order, and I did not order all of it. I tried to be good and tried to limit myself a little bit. I also got, so there is, what's that one called? That's the bird one. Mini layered blossoms. Okay, so there's this set here called Blossoms in Bloom. And then there is a set of dies that coordinates with it. So another bundle that you can get. And these I thought were just gorgeous. So we've got this one that cuts out just the thin all the way around. And then we've got this one that will be more of a solid background to layer behind this. So it reminds me a lot, we have butterfly dies in the catalog right now that do the same thing. One of the dies cuts out a more bold background image, and then the rest of them, it's just going to, see if you can see this. This is how thick it's going to be. It's just going to be a thin little outline of these flowers. So those will be gorgeous with this stamp set. So pretty. Let's see. I also got this cute little bird one. Birds and Branches bundle is what it is called. And it is that with another set of dies. I love these bundles. And this one looks like that. Isn't that pretty? So it's got one that cuts out the nest. Got several to cut out the birds. Okay. And then I love this one that is a circle that cuts out some branches. Okay, around it. Won't that be gorgeous on the card front? Okay, with a little bird inside of it. So, so pretty. I saw lots of possibilities for this. Then just a few other little things I got. I got this pretty, oh, this is the ribbon. This is a Forever Greenery. So it's got a thick ribbon and then it's got a thin gold, like a cording kind of thing. So that'll be pretty with the ferns. Got two of those. I got this punch. So this is called, let me find it on my pre-order so I can tell you for sure. Oh, the Lovely Labels Pick-a-Punch. And so it is something we've never had anything quite like this before, so I'm super excited, and I can't get it open. But what this is depending on the width of your cardstock depends on what it's going to punch, okay? So if your cardstock is this wide, you're going to get this whole design. If your cardstock is this wide, it's only going to get this much of a design punched. Or your cardstock can be this wide and punch that. So the same with this one over here. This wide gets all of it. This wide gets that. And this wide gets that. This reminds me right here of our label punch we used to have that I loved and was sad to see go. So now it's kind of back. So this is a very fun punch. I was super excited to see it. And then the last thing I got was a Tasteful Textile embossing folder. So I really love this one. This one really spoke to me. I like the embossing folders that they're very subtle, so that they just kind of keep you from having a solid like white background, and it just kind of gives you a subtle image. So it looks very much like a, what does it look like? Like a, oh, it's like a material. I can't think of what it's called right now, but it's just going to be so pretty. I can't wait to do it on cards and do it for background. So that is it. That is the end of my preview, my pre-order that I got to do. And the thing that is most exciting about all of this is over half of it was absolutely free to me. As demonstrators, we get to do things during celebration to earn free product, and I earned the maximum amount of the free product that I could earn. So like I said, over half of this was free. So how exciting is that? So one good thing, it's a super time for you to join my team right now too, because if you join my Cardinal Stamper team right now, you can order all pre-order stuff in your starter kit. So how exciting is that? So if you would like some information on becoming a Cardinal Stamper so that you will have the opportunity to earn half of this stuff for free too, then just contact me today and I can give you some information. We have a super fun group of ladies on our team, and I think anybody would be super excited to join us and have fun with us. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys are inspired for our new catalog to come out early June. Thanks for watching.